Okay. I'm in the car, man. Finally back with my baby gal. I haven't even had this for more than like 2 months, if even. All right, bro. Let me pop this shit real quick. Dude, that shit's not even normal, bro. What the fuck? Race mode. Bro, like I can feel how like I'm not even pressing the gas and just go. That's me not, what? Bro, ew. This shit nice, man. This shit is very fucking nice, bro. Finally got it, boys. I'm gonna take this bad boy home and then we're gonna do one last lap.